this guy right here. Whole reason that we're even at MotoGP at Coda.
If you want, you can stay there for the first lap.
Okay. Oh, we're going on the wall for the first lap. Talk about rad. What up, Massimo? Can I ask Massimo a quick question? Massimo? I'm Chad.
Ciao, nice to meet you.
Ciao, nice to meet you. I have a quick question.
Ciao, nice to meet you. Ciao.
What do you get most nervous about before a sprint race? Just sprint race, not the big race.
The start.
Start?
First corner.
So it's like a racer. Once the green flag goes, one lap, and then your heart rate kind of calms down?
The start is the most critical point. Start at first corner is are the most critical, so the one that I more intention.
I get just as nervous and I don't have anything to lose. Good luck.
Stop.